I got a lot of questions from the women here about these screen covers. I figured I'd show them off how they work. It's from a company called SUV Tent, easygoproducts.com, but I got it on Amazon. And they have double zippers, so you can open them inside or out. So you have the screen. Right now my window's closed because it was a little cool last night. So you have the screening you can put up. There's this cover, you can roll it up. There are little tabs here so that the cover isn't flapping around. I don't usually bother though. It's an aesthetic thing that I just don't care about. I usually leave them like that. You can close them up completely. So this is now completely blacked out. And let's take it on and off. There are two Velcro tabs. I stuck one piece here. And the other piece here. This just pulls right off. That's it. Look how tiny. There's a bag that comes with it to store them in that you can actually get them back into. And to put it up, I usually put one of the tabs here temporarily just to hold the side on while I get the other side. Stick that down. And it looks like I did it on the first try. I don't need to adjust it at all. And that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to take it off, pack it up, go to the Boy Scout camp.